guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you for choosing this video. In this episode I will be showing you 10 recipes of how to make this delicious and healthy juice for just in case you want to start ahead in juicing. Right now it's the beginning of the year and so a lot of people are trying to lose weight and trying to look for a lot of methods on how to maintain weight. This is a great option of how to lose those few pounds, correct? And not only that, for those who likes to drink coffee in the morning to get energy, this is the perfect substitute for it. Also, I do want to recommend you 3 tips. One is, before you go ahead and start using all these recipes, I recommend you to go to your doctor and ask him if you are capable of doing these recipes. Second of all, wash your vegetables really well in order for you to start using these fruits, this type of fruits and vegetables, for you to convert them into a juice. And tip number 3, I totally recommend you to drink these juices in the mornings where you are fasting and that you haven't eaten nothing, for you to receive the energy that is providing this healthy juice. I'm gonna have all these recipes with their corrected measurements to create this portion of it in a cup size in my website. So please go into my website and check all those recipes down for you to have all in details all the recipes that I have. All of these recipes have lots of minerals and vitamins, so they're really essential for our body for cleansing, and they're perfect to treat health and also to prevent diseases and prevent a lot of sickness. So definitely this is a great option. I totally recommend it to you guys to definitely do this. Now if you don't have a juicer at home, I recommend you the one that I'm going to be using right now. Is totally affordable. It's not expensive at all. It cost me $39, so it definitely, I recommend it to you guys. Now you're gonna find it in the description down below. Also, the difference between using a blender or user, the blender takes more time, right? Because then you have to put water in the blender in order for you to blend all these fruits and vegetables all together, and then you have to eliminate the pulp, and then you're gonna have to wait and for all those juice to come out, and it takes so much time that sometimes you're not gonna even have the time to get the opportunity to drink this juice. So just for a quicker way and to enjoy all these fruits and vegetables in a cup like this, just get one of these juicers that it will definitely help you save a lot of time. So if you guys are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, and if you like this video, give me a thumbs up for YouTube can recommend this video. And so let's go to see all those recipes that I have stored for you. Hello guys, thank you for watching. Please don't leave and subscribe for more videos and give me a thumbs up. If you have any comments, leave them in the box down below. You can also follow me on my social media. Bye for now.